Oh, only one bee.
Everybody wants to be a
slime.
Oh. Yay! Yes! Hi guys, it's Sister Kingdom Corner. I'm Ambreen. I'm Evelyn. And today we're making butter slime. Let's open. No, not yet. So I would like to shout out. We went to the Dollar Tree and we got these really cool bowls that are see-through. So okay. Now, we want to shout out 2 shout-outs? I want to do mine first. Okay. I shout out to my best friend Harmony. I lived in Mississippi when I knew her. When I started my baby school, I sat in the back seat with Harmony because I was too shy to sit in the front. I want to give a shout out to my friend Cadence. Okay. Evelyn, you have the honors to open up the box. Clay! We dropped some things. Okay, let's open the clay. Now we're going to mix in the sodium triborate with our warm water right here. And then quiet, guys, listen. So satisfying. Okay, I'm gonna cut this open, and Evelyn, you can stir this. This one or this one? It's that one. No, that's good. Sodium triborate bag. Okay. Next, we gotta do the 30 mils of glue. We gotta turn it around. Turn around, upside down, kick your boyfriend out of town and breathe. And make some colors. If you haven't saw one of our videos, we've done lemonade. Lemonade, country ice, sip it once, sip it twice. Turn around, touch the ground, kick your boyfriend out of town, please.
Okay, we're
I
done.
need some colored cheese.
Mixed. Yeah, that's mixed. I'm gonna add in one to mine and to yours. Now we gotta put more of the sodium triborate. Evelyn has to put 1. Okay, now I gotta put 2.
Now what I did not do it.
Yeah, you mix it until it turns into slimy glue. Then mix it with your stick. Oh,
wait,
mine's
quiet,
turning into
listen.
slime.
Listen to mine.
Whoa!
Listen to
Look! Look! Now we're gonna scrape it into our bowl, and then we're gonna mix half of the clay into here,
And the other half into here.
Okay, so
I can't wait to feel the clay. Okay, time to put the slime in.
Ah! Okay. Oh no, you need more sodium triborate, Evelyn.
No, I don't. I already have slime. I have a little bit of slime.
Guys, listen to this.
Yeah, I want glue. I need more triborate. Just one.
There we go. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. This is a little sticky. It's still sticky. No. More sodium triborate.
I have my little bit of slime.
You need more sodium triborate. While Evelyn's scraping the rest of hers out, I'm going to go ahead and put my clay in.
Okay,
Whoa! Whoa! Oh, this is basically slime itself, except it like tears more, but it's super cool.
I'm mixing mine together. I'm mixing mine together.
I'm using the clay to clean myself.
That's a good idea.
So that I don't have slimy hands.
Yeah.
Ah, no, it's getting stuck on me from the glue. You know what? It's going in. It went in.
Mixing together.
this around my bowl so I can get all the slime out.
Yeah.
Look at how cool that looks! I feel like there's gonna be a lot of fallouts. This looks so cool.
I have a bead. I have beads of them. I have bead hands.
Oh my gosh, I woke it up! There you go. This is so
I love my butter slime.
Some of the beads are sticking to the thing.
Some of my beads are sticking to something.
Yours is probably...
Look at Evelyn's hands!
Cause the cat is the only cat. Dun, dun, cause the
And how's where it's at?
is the
Look at that!
which knows where it's at.
Cause the cat's the only cat who knows where it's at. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Yep, mine are mixed in.
You sure? You still got some in your bowl.
Quickie test.
Okay, we're gonna do some slime tests. Clicky test first. Okay.
Time for
Now let's do mine. Now I'm gonna do my click test.
Now let's do the stretch.
Stretch test. Mine can stretch. Okay. Look at how good these turned out. I love these slimes.
Okay, ready?
Slime
Bye.
ball.
Now it's gonna be stretchy and hard.
Oh no, this is
It's stretchy, but it's
hard, but it's way hard.
I'm taking off all these spoons. Yeah. Wait, no, listen. Quiet, listen. It's kind of fun, like the noise where they like start, where they like push the beads in.
But whenever you stretch it, it rips, and then bees just fly everywhere. Oh, only one bee.
Everybody wants to be a
The slime.
Yay!
Yes! This is the slime we made. We hope you like this video, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on our Facebook page, Kindness Keepers. And we'll see you all next time.
No,
Love
wait!
you. Bye!
No,
What?
wait! And also post this video on your Instagram.
And follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest.
Look how light it looks. Maybe they did different clay on the box, but they gave us maybe they did like a light clay and they gave us dark clay.
So at least it's slime. Love y'all.